Hi, I'm your English teacher Iman. Let's open page 66. Going out. نخرج. Let's review the vocabulary first, then read the text. Beach, شاطئ. Desert, صحراء. Forest, غابة. Jerusalem, القدس. إيلات. Kinneret, طبرية. Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv. Now let's read the email. We have an email. It's written to Emma and it's from Linda. Again, it's written by Emma. It's written to Emma by Linda. مكتوب لإما to يعني موجه لإما. ودائما اللي بيستلم الرسالة أو الإيميل بيكون اسمه بالأخير. هنا عنا ليندا وكلنا كلمة subject الموضوع اللي هو الكامبينج. Let's listen.
Camping trip. Hi, Emma. I am very happy you are coming to visit from Canada. There are many things to see and do in Israel. We can swim in the sea. We can walk in Jerusalem. The best thing will be our camping trip in the Negev. Mom, Dad, Ben, and I go camping in the desert every year. Do you like to go camping? I think you'll like camping with us. We have 2 tents. My parents sleep in one tent, the kids sleep in the other tent. In the desert, it's warm in the day, but it's cold in the evening. Every evening, Mom makes a fire and we eat supper near the fire. Ben brings his guitar and we sing songs. We look at the stars and the moon. I like the mornings in the desert. It's always very quiet. Sometimes we see animals. Dad makes chocolate chip pancakes for breakfast. Our camping trips are so much fun. I'm happy you are coming with us. See you next week. Your cousin, Linda.
Okay, let's review a bit. Who is from Canada? Who is from Canada? To know the answer, you have to read the full sentence. لما سألنا مين من كندا مشان نعرف الجواب لازم نقرأ كل الجملة مشان نعرف مين من كندا. I am happy you are coming from Canada. You ضمير أنت تعود على Emma. So who's from Canada? Emma's from Canada. And where is she coming? Where is she coming? وين في عنا أماكن مكتوبة؟ عنا Israel. She's coming to Israel. What will they do in Israel? What will they do in Israel? Correct. Swim in the sea, walk in Jerusalem, and camp in the Negev. How many tents do Linda's parents have? How many tents? كم من tent عندما كم من خيمة أهل Linda have? Two tents. One for the parents and one for the kids. Does Linda like the desert? Does Linda like the desert? بما إنه عندنا السؤال بدأ does معناته إجابتنا yes أو no. من جملة I think you will like it with us. In the desert, it's I am happy you're coming. Our camping trips are so much fun. بدل إنه she likes camping in the desert. Okay. Now let's review the vocabulary list. Breakfast وجبة فطور. Cousin ابن عم ابنة عم ابن خالة أو ابن خالة أو ابن عم. Desert صحراء. Cousin اللي ابن عم ابن خالة. Desert صحراء. Evening مساء. Fire نار. Moon قمر quiet هادئ sometimes أحيانا tent خيمة think يفكر trip رحلة us إيانا يعني إحنا. Okay, now let's look at exercise number 3. I'll explain it because you have to do it at home. Exercise number 3 بظل عين وظيفة. أسئلة فهم مقروء. Where does Linda's family go camping? وين بيروحوا يعملوا camping? How many tents do they have? Who plays the guitar? What does Linda's family eat in the morning? هذا التمرين 3 عين وظيفة. نحل تمرين 4 و5 مع بعض. Let's do number 4. اختاروا الإجابة الصحيحة لإكمال الجملة. Choose the answers. Emma lives in. Where does she lives in? Where is she from? Canada. Emma and Linda are شو بقربن لبعض friends, sisters, cousins. Correct. This year is coming on a camping trip for the first time. أنو عنا جاي على camping trip for the first time. Emma. Okay, exercise number 5. Choose and say. أي من الأغراض الواردة أدناه يجب على عائلة ليندا أن تحضرها لرحلة التخييم حسب رأيكم؟ قولوا 3 أغراض إضافية يحتاجون إليها فأشرحوا السبب. Let's read them. Coats, socks, dresses, umbrellas, food, tent, guitar, wood, swimsuit, glass. We know that they're going to the desert, so there are certain things that they don't need. في بعض الأشياء ما نحتاجهاش بالصحراء. مثل شو ممكن ما ناخدش معنا على الصحراء؟ umbrellas أعتقد نقدر نحذفها. coats شتويات نقدر نحذفهن. socks برضه نقدر نستغني عنهن. dresses مش عمليات. swimsuits ما في بركة بالصحراء. وضل عنا قديه 4 اختيارات. شو الأشياء الضرورية؟ Linda's family needs tent خيام. Linda's family needs food أكل. Linda's family needs wood كمان بيحتاجوا خشب مشان يولعوا نار ويساووا عليه أكل. الجيتار مش ضرورية. والجلاس الكزاز مش ضروري بقدر يستعملوا بلاستيك. Okay, now let's open page 68. As a homework you have also exercise number 1 تمرين رقم 1 عين وظيفين. لائم الصورة للجملة. sleep in a tent, look at the desert, sit near the fire, think يفكر think about friend, go on a trip رحلة يذهب برحلة. We also have exercise number 2 كمان تمرين 2 عين وظيفة. بدنا نعمل جمل بدنا نلائم بين A و B نكمل الجمل. على سبيل المثال عندي حل واحدة. I am hungry in the morning. أنا جعان الصباح. I eat. What do we eat in the morning? Breakfast. Number 1 is a big breakfast. جعان الصبح باكل فطور. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget exercise number 1, exercise number 2, and exercise number 3 are homework. Have a great weekend. Thank you.